Welcome to the first class of energy economics. Today we are going to study the introductory chapter, that is Introduction to Energy Economics. So now let's understand what is energy economics. The first thing to note is that energy economics is a branch of applied economics. And energy economics can also be precisely understood as the economics of energy. It is a branch of applied economics where economic tools and economic principles are applied in order to ask the right questions. Okay, the economic tools and the economic principles are applied in order to ask the right questions, and asking of the right questions leads to coming to the right conclusions, which make sure that decisions are right in this field, in the field of energy economics. It even studies how humans use the energy commodities, energy resources, and the consequences of the usage of the energy commodities and energy resources. So basically in energy economics, we're going to study how humans and the society and the economy is utilizing the energy commodities present in our economy, the energy resources present in our economy, and the consequences of the way they are utilizing it. That is what we're going to study in energy economics. To proceed further, first we need to understand what is energy. In order to understand energy economics, understanding energy is very important. So let's see what energy is. Energy is, see, when we imagine energy, it is not something that's always available in palpable form. Palpable form means anything that can be touched or felt. Energy can be anything that can be converted into work, heat, or radiation. Like if I'm lifting something, so energy got converted into work, and the work was to lift something. So that is a way in which energy is converted into work. And radiation is also an energy that we can sense. And when it comes to heat, heat is something that we prefer having in winter. We use heaters, so that is also a way in which energy is converted into work in order to get heat during winters. And during summers, we do the opposite. We use ACs so that there is no heat in the house. So these are the various ways in which energy can be converted. It can be converted into work, heat, or radiations. So we can understand energy as energy encompasses energy, commodities, and energy resources that have got a significant amount of physical energy, and it even offers and it has the ability to perform work. The examples of energy commodities are coal, electricity, diesel fuel, gasoline, natural gas, propane, and these energy commodities can be used to provide energy services for performing human activities such as water heating, cooking, or any other electronic activity. Example of energy resources are natural gas, coal, geothermal deposits, uranium, hydro, sunlight, wind, crude oil, biomass, etc. And these energy resources are resources which are used in producing energy commodities. And energy commodities are used to provide energy services in order to perform human activities. So energy resource refers to anything that helps the production of energy commodities, and energy commodities are used to produce energy services in order to perform human activities. Now let's conclude this chapter. The fact to be noted is energy cannot be created nor it can be destroyed. It is constant. The energy that's present in the world, in the entire universe, is constant. It can only be transformed or converted from one form to another. Like how we see coal being converted into electricity. The use of coal, the coal is being used in order to get electricity. But the problem is it is creating pollution and it is getting depleted with time. So we need to find other forms of other resources. We need to find other energy resources that can be converted into energy commodities. And for this we have solution too, but then again we need to work on whether it is cost efficient, and there are a lot of other factors, like there is even solar. There is solar, which is an alternative. There is hydro energy, it's an alternative. Wind energy is there. That is, you can create electricity even using wind, even using sunlight. But there are a lot of problems even in this, and there's a lot of costs involved. Thus, energy economics deals with a lot of economic problems in the energy industry or the energy sector, or in the energy commodities, or in the energy conversion. This is one of the problems that we mentioned, the problem of energy conversion in the most cost efficient manner, in the most environment friendly manner. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe.